telecom giant Vodafone has said that it has won the significant ruling against the Indian government in an international court in Singapore over 12,000 crore in dues and 7,900 crore in penalties. Vodafone had approached Singapore International Arbitration Centre in 2016 in the dispute that stems from the retroactive tax claim for using airwaves and in-license fee. The tribunal ruled that the Indian government's imposition of a tax liability on Vodafone is a breach of investment treaty agreement between India and the Netherlands company. That is what Vodafone is telling us. A little while ago, I spoke with their lawyer.
Vodafone had succeeded in Supreme Court, and the Government of India came with retrospective amendments trying to recover the tax which Supreme Court had struck down. And we had approached the International Arbitration Tribunal under the bilateral investment treaties. And that tribunal has today published its award and said that this action of trying to impose the tax, interest and penalties is violative of fair and equitable clause under the bilateral investment treaty, and in fact has imposed costs of about 40 to 50 crores on Union of India. The fact is that our own apex court, which is the final arbiter of disputes, had held that this tax is not correct, and the Government of India still went ahead